Hello everybody, welcome. Today we've got 3 hobby boxes of 2013 Bowman football. Should be a relatively quick break. 4 autographs, 1 relic card per box. Good luck to everyone in the break. And of course, if there's any interruptions in the stream, just sit tight. I'll try to reconnect as fast as I can. Haven't had any issues with that recently, but I still like to give that disclaimer up front, just in case there are any issues. Alright, so here we go with our first box. We've got an orange paper for the Ravens, Arthur Brown, 254 out of 299. Refractor for Zach Dysert of the Broncos, and a refractor for Des Bryant of the Cowboys. Got a mini for Eric Fisher of the Chiefs, and an autograph for John Jenkins. Base auto. Okay. We've got a Bills Blue Chrome for Marquise Goodwin, numbered 162 out of 499. Refractor for Jordy Nelson of the Packers. Kenny Stills mini for the Saints. And a CJ Spiller die cut for the Bills. Looks like maybe an orange auto coming up. Let's see what we got here. We have an orange chrome for the Seahawks, Christine Michael, 235 out of 299. Phillip Rivers Chargers refractor. A Spencer Ware Seahawks mini. And yes, it is an orange auto for Stedman Bailey, numbered 41 out of 50. Looks like a red ice coming up. Blue paper for the Bengals, Rex Burkhead, 229 out of 499. Got a refractor for Joseph Foria for the Lions. A Julio Jones Falcons refractor. Landry Jones Steelers mini. Oh, this is a nice red ice for the Seahawks, Russell Wilson. And it is numbered 14 out of 25. Nice parallel. Stedman Bailey was for the Rams. Gotcha. Alright. Looks like maybe our relic card coming up. There's a Geno Smith gold paper for the Jets, numbered 136 out of 399. Got a refractor for Ryan Swope of the Cardinals. And a Peyton Manning Broncos gold chrome. And that one is numbered 16 out of 75. So a relatively low numbered chrome there for Peyton Manning. Jawan Jamison Redskins mini. And our relic card is a blue refractor relic for the Browns for Brandon Weeden. 53 out of 99. So our 2 autos so far, John Jenkins base auto, that one was for the Saints. And Stedman Bailey orange auto, numbered out of 50, and that was for the Rams. Got a printing plate coming up. And it is for the Lions. For Joseph Faria. It is the black printing plate, Joseph Faria for the Lions, 1 of 1. I have hit a 1 of 1 in every single break I've done so far of this product. Some might say it's loaded. Mike Williams, Buccaneers refractor. Zach Ertz, Eagles mini. And a Broncos Eric Decker die cut. For the Steelers, a Marcus Wheaton refractor. For the 49ers, Colin Kaepernick refractor. Brad Sorensen, Chargers mini. And a autograph for Eric Fisher. Eric Fisher was a Chiefs auto. Joseph Randall, Cowboys, orange chrome, numbered 59 out of 299. Jamal Charles, Chiefs refractor. Ray Graham, Texans mini. And an Arian Foster, Texans die cut. Alright, 2 packs left in our first box. We've got a Patriots Logan Ryan red paper, numbered 43 out of 199. We've got a Ray Graham Texans refractor, a Jason Pierre-Paul Giants refractor, Denard Robinson Jaguars mini, and a David Wilson Giants ice. Alright. So our final pack looks like we got a blue auto coming up. We've got for the Dolphins a Dion Jordan gold chrome, numbered 248 out of 399. Bobby Wagner Seahawks refractor, a Miguel Mayoncet Eagles mini, and we got 2 autos. First, a blue autograph for Joseph Faria for the Lions, 87 out of 99. And we have one of the NFLPA Collegiate Bowl autographs for Norman White. And I'm not sure what team he belongs to, but I will double check that. If he doesn't belong to a team, that auto will be randomized to among the teams that don't have autographs. And we're down with our first box. On to the final 2 boxes. Looks like another blue autograph coming up. Right, for the Rams, a TJ McDonald red chrome, numbered 152 out of 199. Christian Ponder refractor for the Vikings. Joseph Faria Lions mini. And a blue autograph for Jawan Jameson, numbered 32 out of 99. And Jawan Jameson is for the Redskins. For the Bengals, a orange paper Giovanni Bernard, 125 out of 299. Andrew Luck, black border. Sean Renfree, Falcons refractor. David Wilson, Giants refractor. Dion Jordan, Dolphins mini. And a Jawan Jameson, Redskins ice. For the Seahawks, a Jesse Williams blue chrome, 128 out of 499. Andre Johnson, Texans refractor. Chase Thomas, Saints mini. Reggie Wayne, Colts die cut. Marcus Lattimore, blue paper for the 49ers, 151 out of 499. For the Bears, Kasim Green, refractor. For the Steelers, a Ben Roethlisberger, blue chrome, numbered 85 out of 99. Rex Burkhead, Bengals mini. And the relic card is for the Lions for Ndamukong Suh. For the Redskins, Brandon Jenkins, orange chrome, 225 out of 299. Chris Johnson, Titans refractor. John Jenkins, Saints mini. And a numbered Eric Decker die cut for the Broncos, numbered 72 out of 99. Another Brandon Jenkins. This one a red paper for the Redskins, 56 out of 199. For the Giants, DeMontre Moore, refractor. For the Dolphins, Cameron Wake, refractor. Jordan Poyer, Eagles mini. And autograph for Christine Michael, base auto. Christine Michael, Seattle Seahawks. Just had a Christine Michael autograph for the Seahawks. Base auto. For the Eagles, a Matt Barkley refractor. Justin Blackman, Jaguars refractor. Got an EJ Manuel Bills mini. And a mini autograph for Philip Luxenkirchen. And Luxenkirchen plays for the Saints, I think. No, the Rams. Luxenkirchen mini auto to the Rams. For the Raiders, Tyler Wilson, blue paper, 103 out of 499. For the Cowboys, Gavin Escobar, refractor. For the Browns, Josh Gordon, refractor. Mike Gillisley, Dolphins mini. And for the Ravens, a Ray Rice, ice. Alright, down to our last two packs in our second box. And then one more after that. We've got for the Cowboys a Terrence Williams gold chrome, 51 out of 399. Ray Rice, Ravens refractor. Robert Lester, Panthers mini. And a die cut for Justin Blackmon of the Jaguars. Alright, final pack in our second box. Jonathan Franklin, Packers gold paper, 244 out of 399. Refractor for Ezekiel Ansah for the Lions. Matt Forte, Bears refractor. Cardinals, Kevin Minter, mini. And a base auto for John Jenkins. Do we already have one of those? Possibly. John Jenkins is a Saints autograph. And our third and final box. Just as a heads up, tonight I have auctions going live for a full case break of blasters for 2013 Bowman. That's 16 blasters. Landry Jones, Steelers gold paper, numbered 5 out of 399. Mike Gillisley, refractor for the Dolphins. Jeremy Curley, Jets, refractor. Mike Glennon, Buccaneers mini. And an EJ Manuel, Bills ice. So, 16 blasters, and the starting bid will be basically the same as for this break. So, relatively cheap. But 16 blasters worth of cards. That'll go live tonight, and the break will be this Saturday. Robert Woods, Bills, blue chrome, 210 out of 499. Got an Adrian Peterson refractor for the Vikings. Corey Fuller, Lions mini. And another orange autograph. This one for Dayton Jones. And it is numbered 17 out of 50. Dayton Jones is for the Packers. For the Chargers, a red paper for Keenan Allen. 56 out of 199. For the Ravens, Aaron Millette. Refractor. Drew Brees, Saints refractor. Dayton Jones, Packers mini. And an autograph for Ray Graham. Base auto. And Ray Graham goes to the Texans. For the Chiefs, Eric Fisher, orange chrome, 48 out of 299. Ben Jarvis Green Ellis refractor for the Bengals. Jarvis Jones Steelers mini. Julio Jones Falcons die cut. For the Seahawks, a Chris Harper refractor. Pierre Garcon Redskins refractor. Chris Harper Seahawks mini. And an autograph, a base auto for Matt Elam. And Matt Elam is for the Ravens. For the Lions, blue chrome Joseph Faria, 152 out of 499. Refractor for Josh Freeman of the Buccaneers. Nile Davis Chiefs mini. And for the Patriots, a Rob Gronkowski die cut. Ooh, purple ice auto coming up, or probably not an auto, just purple ice. Don't mean to get your hopes up. Matt Elam, Ravens orange paper, 86 out of 299. For the Chiefs, Nico Johnson refractor. For the Lions, a Suh refractor. Keenan Allen, Chargers mini. And for the Buffalo Bills, a purple ice for Chris Gregg. And it is numbered 4 out of 10. So a nice hit for the Bills. Possibly a gold auto here. Let's see. Looks like we got a prism refractor for the Redskins. Jawan Jameson, numbered 89 out of 99. And Jaquiz Rogers refractor for the Falcons. Stephon Taylor, Cardinals, mini. And your gold autograph is for Ezekiel Ansah. Numbered 71 out of 75. Ezekiel Ansah, Detroit Lions. Alright, our last two packs. We got another blue relic coming up, it looks like. First, we have a Jesse Williams Seahawks blue paper, 190 out of 499. We've got a Logan Ryan Patriots refractor. DeMarco Murray refractor for the Cowboys. Gavin Escobar Cowboys mini. And we got another NFLPA auto. First we have a blue relic for Kendall Wright, 48 out of 99 for the Titans. And NFLPA auto for Alan Chapman. Okay, our final pack. We've got a David Wilson Giants gold paper, numbered 72 out of 75. A Chris Gregg Bills gold chrome, numbered 325 out of 399. Richard Sherman Seahawks refractor. Luke Jekyll Jaguars mini. And for the Packers, a Randall Cobb die cut. And that's going to do it. So thanks a lot to everyone for getting in. Did have some pretty decent hits popping up there. The Russell Wilson red ice, the printing plate for the Lions, the Bills purple ice, and some decent autos as well. So congrats to everybody who ended up with some good hits. I'll have a shorter recap video of just the hits coming up here shortly. And also, again, the auction's going live tonight for a full case of blasters, 16 blasters. It'll be cheap to get on the break, and hope to see some of you guys back with that. I'm interested to see what'll come out of a whole case of blasters. So thanks a lot, everyone, for getting in. Again, to go to my eBay store, it's stutzmansportscards.com. The link will be in the description of this video. That goes straight to my eBay store, and then live group breaks on the left-hand side to take you to what I've got coming up. So, again, tonight the Bowman blasters will go on the auctions will go live. Also going live tonight is my break for 2013 Series 2 Baseball, a jumbo case break of that, and that'll happen next week. Thanks a lot, everyone.